Welcome to Suburban DIY. If you're new to the channel, we do all types of DIY projects. In this DIY video, we refresh outdoor patio furniture. This table is 20 plus years old. We've gotten a lot of use out of it, and considering the brutal desert climate, it's held up nicely. However, it's starting to show its age. The metal parts of the table and the chairs are fading, and they're fading bad. But rather than spending thousands to replace and get a new unit, let's just refresh it. We'll save money and we'll get huge DIY satisfaction. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Might be hard to tell, but this is the before, and you'll see it's very faded, it's very dry, and this is the after with the 303. Looking good. Check it out. Here we are 10 days later. What a huge improvement. It almost looks brand new. A little bit more work left to do, but nonetheless, awesome results. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or write a comment. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't done so already, click subscribe and click the notification bell so we can see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.